You should eat the necessary amount of protein, and I'm going to tell you why. I've been doing a lot of research over the past few months about this topic, and I'm going to tell you why protein is so essential for living. Georgia Ed, a Harvard-trained psychiatrist who specializes in nutritional science, brain metabolism, and mental health, says that a human can't go 70 days without protein. Eating protein is different for everyone because everyone are different sizes and different weights, and the amount of protein that you need depends on your age, height, body weight, and physical activity. Protein is large, complex molecules that work for our cells and that are important macronutrients. They repair and build tissues, muscles, and hormones and enzymes. Places that you can find good proteins, the National Library of Medicine states that animal sources like meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, and also plant sources such as lentils, nuts, and beans are super good sources for protein. Specifically, more breaking it down, for meats, chicken, turkey, beef, and lamb and pork are super good. For fish, lobster, tuna, oysters, and crabs, and other animal sources are eggs, yogurt, milk, and cheese. For plant sources, all beans, almonds, walnuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are super good options for protein. And all of those foods are in different categories, and this is one of the reasons why you should eat protein, because there's so many different kinds and it's not limited to just one. The Medicine Plus states that proteins are made out of amino acids, and amino acids use energy to fuel and repair blood, or repair and build muscles and bones, hormones, and enzymes. And it keeps your body functioning. They also said in the article that it's important for protein growth and to grow our cartilage and skin. Hair and nails are mostly composed of protein, and protein also fuels our energy and also builds up antibodies, and antibodies help fight diseases. Okay, now how much protein you should be eating. Chrissy Wempen specializes in nutrition and is part of the Mayo Clinic health system. And she says that the average person should eat 35% of their body weight in protein. So to calculate this, you would take your body weight and multiply that by 0.35, and that is the amount of protein you should be eating. So let's say someone that weighs 150 would multiply that 150 by 35, and they would get 52, which means that they should be eating 52 grams of protein a day. A lot of people say that this number is too high, and that you'll just start gaining weight, but it actually is stored for energy. And there is such a thing as eating too much protein, but that is why it's important to track and calculate how much protein you should be eating, so that you don't eat too little and you don't eat too much either. Another argument says that it's not necessary to track your protein because you can get it from so many foods, but it's important to eat a variety of foods so that you get different nutritions. For example, meats are is a super good source of proteins, but it wouldn't be good to just only get your protein from meats. So now you know why you should eat protein, so that it can help you grow and function properly, and it can grow your antibodies to fight off illnesses and grow your muscles And there's so many different foods that you can eat to get protein intake. And now that you know how to calculate your protein intake, I encourage you to start tracking it.